Hello, Braddies! Okay, so mellow down na tayo. Kasi tapos na tayo mag-promote. Okay, so today naman, I'd like to take this time to talk about self-love. Di ba? Like I told you before, part of my journey now, aside from being a TikTok affiliate, is I'm also a self-love solution teacher. And I've been going through the self-love solution certification. I know there are so many questions that you would like to ask about self-love, di ba? Because I've been talking about this in my account, and I've been talking about this in my content for I think for several months now. And I'm telling you the reason why I am sharing this with you is because I want you also to experience the journey that I am going through. Like I've been saying, hindi siya madaling journey kasi for you to discover a lot about self-love, there are so many things that you have to go through. Okay? But believe me, after you go through self-love, after you go through the process of learning the self-love solution program, you will shine. You will definitely shine because you know why? Because you will learn how to give more importance to yourself. You become the hero of your own story. It's gonna be all about you. And you will not be guilty about it. It's not selfish. It's not being selfish when you try to think about it. It's not being selfish when you do things for yourself. It's not being selfish that you put yourself first above everyone else. You know why? Because at the end of the day, all you have is yourself. All you got is yourself, you know? And going through this journey of self-love, your greatest responsibilities your greatest responsibilities will be loving yourself more every day and to know that you are enough, that you are worth it, that you are capable of doing anything. Most and foremost, you are enough. You are perfect as you are. You have no um, guilt, no shame of accepting the fact that you are enough. Now, if you want to know more about self-love, I am inviting you to message me, to call me, because right now I'm looking for someone that I can go through the journey with. And this is free of charge. We call it in our we call it in the certification, we call the program SEVA. It's SEVA, which means community service. And when you say it's community service, means it's free. Okay? Of course, going through the self-love solution program, just like any other sessions, may bayad yun. But for me, because I'd like to share this with you, it's gonna be free of charge, and we will go through the sessions, and I will walk through with you through this journey, and it's gonna be a safe place. You know, there will be no judgment, no questions. I will not ask you of anything that you do not want to share with. It's all gonna be about you. It's all it's all gonna be our journey together of discovering more about self-love, and it will be a wonderful journey. Why? Because we're gonna do it together. You know, we're gonna help each other go through this process. Self-love is giving up everything except for yourself. I mean, changing every narrative, every negative narrative that you have in your mind, step by step. You know, there will be taking out all the shame, taking out all the guilt. Bottom line is all gonna be all about you, all about you being you. I mean, walang halong There's walang halong takot, there's no fear, there's no judgment, you know. I'm sharing this with you kasi at first it wasn't easy, especially for those who think that because you have responsibilities over some people, especially with your family, you have responsibilities over, your workmates, parang every day of your life, parang it's a struggle. It's a struggle to make the world notice you, to make these people notice you, to it's a struggle to be somebody, somebody that somebody that you want everybody to look up to. You want to be seen because there were even times that you do things beyond your control, or sometimes you do things beyond what you want, just to be someone. And 'di ba? Parang ang hirap naman nun. Parang all you have to do, parang all you've been doing all your life is to please somebody, because you feel that if you don't do that, you are not enough. And that's what we're gonna change. First and foremost, we're gonna change your narrative. We're gonna change your way of thinking that you are not enough, because that is what you should learn. First thing that you should learn is to accept the fact that you are more than enough. You don't need anyone's opinion. You don't need anyone's validation. The only validation you need is yourself. Believe in yourself. Believe in what you can do. Believe that in this world, you are unique and you are perfect as you are. Okay? So, let's come on, do a seva with me. Come on, let's go through this journey together, and I promise you, it's gonna be a good journey. So message me anytime. No judgment, no guilt and shame. It's just gonna be you and me. It's a safe place. Let's do this together. Let's go through this journey together. So give me a call, okay? I'll wait for you. Bye.